Morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Barclays. Barclays is a bank whose headquarters is in London, but it's like an international bank. So if you guys have an account in this bank, you can access it with any country in which it has its branch. All right. So it is advantageous, like it's international. So before that, if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. If you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. Let's move on, shall we? So you just want to go to your search engine, search for Barclays. After you do that, you want to click on log into online banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Barclays online banking site. Once you're over here, there's three ways to log in into your account: membership number, card number, sort code, account number. You can use whichever one you want, you feel easy. I like to go with the membership number because it's easy. Over here you need to enter your last name over here, and then you want to enter your membership number, which is like a 12-digit code given to you. After you do that, you just click on continue, and you should be able to log in into your account. And in card number and sort code as well, it's pretty simple. You just need to fill up whatever information it asks you correctly. You should be able to log in into your account. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And I'm signing out. Bye bye.